Odisha could become a power surplus state from a power deficit state, and who continues to script an inspiring, transforming story for Odisha and its people every day. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request our Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik, to now address these newly appointed technicians, electrical engineers and office assistants.
Honorable Minister, Development Commissioner and senior officers, newly employed officers, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all the 412 youths who are joining in Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited. Today in various capacities, I congratulate all of you for your success in the recruitment exams. My government has been investing significantly in the power sector to enhance power generation and strengthen the transmission and distribution infrastructure. Odisha is now a power surplus state. The consumer base of the state has grown exponentially to 97 lakhs, which was